I'm Nastasia, I'm a tax lawyer at GMBA.
I'm Ronan, I'm a VAT advisor at GMBA. Most of our clients are foreign clients, especially non-established foreign companies.
From a corporate tax perspective, the location where companies conduct their activities is crucial in determining the place of taxation of their profits. In other words, a foreign company will have to pay corporate income tax in France on profits generated through a permanent establishment located in France.
It's important to not confuse the concept of permanent establishment from VAT purposes with income tax purposes. A company can have a permanent establishment from VAT perspective and not from income tax perspective, and the reverse is also possible.
From a corporate income tax perspective, a permanent establishment can be a fixed place of business or an agent who has the authority to bind the foreign company, and the presence of such a permanent establishment in France makes the foreign company liable for corporate income tax in France.
According to the VAT directive, there has to be an establishment with a sufficient degree of permanence and structure in terms of human and technical resources. It also has to be capable to provide or receive services. But the concept is also defined by the EU case law and the local tax authorities, which can make the definition very ambiguous and subject to interpretation. Actually, no. A company with an exempt activity that does not make any importation or intra-community acquisition is not required to be VAT registered. Moreover, the French legislation has provided a domestic reverse charge mechanism that enables non-established companies to avoid VAT registration in France to the extent its clients are already registered in France.
In recent years, France has significantly reduced its tax rate. The current rate is 25%, and for small businesses with turnover below 10 million euros, there is a lower rate at 15%. Which is applicable to profits up to 42k euros. There are also interesting tax incentives, such as the research and development tax credit, which allows eligible companies to benefit from a tax credit which is calculated as a percentage on eligible expenses related to research and innovation activities. We are based in Paris, so do not hesitate to contact us if you need any tax advice.
We will be more than happy to help you. À bientôt.